Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize dividend stocks with eTrade step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your eTrade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Markets tab on the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Stocks. In the search bar, type Dividend Stocks and press Enter. You will see a list of stocks that pay dividends. To narrow down your options, use the filter settings on the left side. Select criteria such as minimum dividend yield and market capitalization. After applying these filters, review the stocks that meet your requirements. Click on a stock to view its detailed profile. Here, you will find information on dividend history, yield, and payout ratios. Pay attention to the dividend growth over the past years. Next, check the company's overall financial health by analyzing its balance sheet. Look for key indicators such as revenue growth and debt-to-equity ratio. If a stock looks promising, explore the Research tab for analyst ratings and reports. Take notes on any upcoming dividend declarations or payment dates. Once you've selected your preferred stocks, add them to your watch list for monitoring. Now, return to your account dashboard. To purchase shares, click on the Trade button located at the top of the screen. Select Buy and enter the stock symbol of the dividend stock you want to acquire. Specify the number of shares you wish to purchase. Set your order type, whether it's a market order or a limit order. Review all details carefully before clicking the Submit button. After your order is executed, monitor your portfolio regularly. Keep an eye on dividend announcements and any changes to company fundamentals. Reassess your investments periodically to ensure they align with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.